Finger activity. For this, first we are going to draw our two hands on the A4 sheet. Super, Halima. Srimati, super. Vinushree is doing. Yes, yes. Zafira, do it. Lajantika. Here, Hania. Good. Magesh, try. Sagit. Here, Sayed. Mufida, na? Yes. Keep the papers on the bench or otherwise on the book or anything under that. You keep. Don't stick any stars on that. Remove it, Rifna. Super. Draw the hands neatly, Sagil. You are so beautiful, no? But you draw it. Good. Ashviya. Super. Make it faster. Renas, give the number and write. Write. 6 8s are. How can we find? Harmin, show it. Remove the. Yes. For this, we have to find 6 8s are. In this, from the number 8th finger, we put 10, 20, 30, 40 for till 6. 6th finger. Then that is 10th place. That is 10th place. 4 10s are 40. 4 10s are 40. Then we count and multiply the remaining fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. That left side 4 fingers, right side 2 fingers. So 4 2s are 8. Now we have to add 10s place and 1s place. 40 plus 8 is 48. 6 8s are 48. Make it fast. Arshan, do it fast. Good. Yes. Very good. Akram. Super. 6 8s are.